And welcome to Poppy's Workshop and what's on Poppy's Workbench. Well, today we're going to be working on a few toys, and these are going to be Rattle toys. So you can see I've drilled some of the holes already, but one of the holes that I have not drilled in some of these, I'll put that up there, is going to be for the dowel that is going to go through like this, partway through here, and that's going to contain the rattle portion. So essentially, here's one that I've done. Let's see if I can get that closer. There you go. You can see that I've already drilled out the hole. And let's see if I got that right. That's kind of close. Let me get my finger there so that it goes in. Yep, so it goes in a little bit, as you can see. And it goes a little bit that way. I probably could go in a little bit further, but I'll glue it there. I'll glue it there once it's in, and then sand off underneath there. I'll probably have to use my Dremel because I'm not sure if that'll fit my 1x21 build that way. So that's what we're going to do. This is the little feller that we're doing now. So here's how I do it. The first thing I do is make sure I can get underneath with the drill, and hopefully the drill will be long enough. So I will bring that down, and as you can see, let me get my arm out of the way. As you can see, it goes all the way through here and just stops to the other side. Being that I'm using a brad point drill, that will keep it in line. Now, this wood is 20 millimeters wide. So what I'm going to do is mark my center line at 10 millimeters. There we go. I didn't go far enough to the middle here. There we go. Okay. Now I can see where that center line is. Being that we're only doing a 1/4 inch hole, I don't worry about busting through the sides, which is good. For example, when I use my 16 millimeter Forstner, it doesn't give a whole lot because this is like, you know, again, 20 millimeters. So I have it that way. And let me get this up here. Oh, loosen that up a little bit more. It's my little helper hand. And what I am going to do now is I want to make sure, because this rocks a little bit, I want to make sure that I stay at the level and also on my center point. So I'm going to drive that in, keep that in, tighten this down until I get to my vertical on my angle here. Well, just a little bit off. Okay. So now I know where it is. Not super duper critical, but let's drill through. This is a nice new drill. And I'm just about to the stops. There we go. Okay, and there you go. Oh, gotta loosen that up. So, there is the hole, and the hole goes in. Let's kind of check that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is, of course, cut this circle out. And that'll be done on the scroll saw. And then once that's done, I will do the perimeter of the dyno. And we will have a piece ready for wheels, a peg, and the rattle that goes in it, and all the other things that I need to do to finish it. So there you go. May the Lord richly bless you. Make it a great day right here at Poppy's Workshop.